You are welcome to the Grace FX. Today I'm going to show you something so interesting. This is how I trade a Asian session range, okay, with just a simple indicator. Not if I say indicator, I do not mean buy or sell indicator. It is just it will show you the Asian range. This plays out each and every day. Every day you are going to be getting a trade. So what I want you guys to do now is just take your notebook, get your pen, jot some things down, and then start applying this strategy right away. We are going to be using this on either 5 minutes or 1 minute. So the time frame will vary depending on the signal we're going to have or how clarity the signal is going to be. If it is not very clear, then we shift to 5 minutes or the 1 minute time frame. Alright, so how does this strategy work? Before I will introduce you to the strategy, I have to show you the indicator that we are using. Okay, we are using Asian range. So you come to indicator section here and you search Asian range. Banicol. This one, the first one over here. Click it. And then that is it. So after clicking, come to the settings. Depending on your time zone or your region, I am in Ghana, so my Asian session start at 11 p.m. midnight and then end at 8 o'clock. Okay, so that is all that you want to do. And maybe the stars, you want to show the background. For the background to be you can change any color actually, but I prefer to use this color. You can deepen it or just make it light as my own. Good. So if you have this indicator installed on it, what do? You don't just start trading straight away. You have to follow some simple rules, and these rules are so easy to be followed. Okay, you have to be disciplined. If you don't see what I'm going to show you, do not take a trade. Do not think of buying or selling. All right, so before I go to the strategy, let me just show you what I'm going to we are expecting to see. So if we have the Asian box, this is the Asian range, okay, like this, and then we have maybe price trading inside it. So it's a range, so price is just trading inside it. Now price trade outside and goes to take the Asian high first. So taking the Asian high, price is going to be giving you some kind of a price action. What I want to see on the time frame is this. So we are using either 5 minutes or 1 minute. Right now I'm going to show you on the 1 minute time, a 5 minute time frame. So I want to see a chalk on the 5 minutes time frame. If you see a chalk, you take a trade from this place and then you target the immediate high here, low here. Okay, do not be greedy with this strategy, guys. So this, if the high is face taken, now if the low is taken, do the same thing with the ranging. So the price took Asian low first. You want to wait for a change of character, wait for a pullback, then you buy. Sometimes, depending on the trend of the market, you can target either the high or the low. Okay, this one you could have targeted the low here. So you can also target the high, depending on the trend of the market. If you are going against the trend, just take 1:3 or 1:5, then you are out of the market. Okay, so that's it. This is what you want to see each and every day, then you implement it. It's so easy and so simple to use. Now when we say change of character, to see this, the price is going up like this. So as it is going up, it forms a high. This high must form a low. Now let this low form another high. Okay, so this low has formed a high. This high should be higher than the first high here. something like this. Now the new high we just had should come and form a low lower than the previous low here, something like this. Now this low that has formed, which is lowest low now, should form a high, but it shouldn't be more than the previous high here. So when this happens, this is what I want to do. It can actually sweep it, but it should not close above it. So if it comes somewhere here, you want to take a trade, okay, and target the nearest low. So over here, I'm gonna have your supply over here. Okay, all right. So here I will name it X. That means the first high needs to be taken. If the first high is not taken, then that is not a choke. After that, you want to see that the low here has also been taken. Okay, this is what we call choke. So when this happens, when you take our entry from here and then catch the trade down like this, as we can see. So the stop loss is going to be very small. This is even less than 1 pip, okay? This less than 1 pip. Then you target. So this one is to 10. Assuming this what you are doing right now. Okay. Okay, so that's it for a sell. Okay. Let's go to a buy. As we want to have a buy, the same thing. So opposite of what we just discussed right now. You want to see the price coming, form a low here. The low should form a high. Now this high should form a lower low. This lower low, which is the third point here, should form a higher high, higher than the previous high here. Then now it should form a low, but it shouldn't be lower than our previous lower low here. Then we'll find another block somewhere here, or a demand zone somewhere here. Then we'll buy to the upside. That is if the Asian low was face taking. Okay, if the Asian low was face taking, that's what you do. Let's have a look at what happened on GBP USD today. So we can see we have our Asian low here. This is the lowest part of the Asian, and we have the highest point here, which is right over here. So we can see that the Asian low has been taken first. The Asian low has been taken. So what we want to do is we want to wait for choke. Now let me show you something over here. Okay, this is a high, and this is a single leg from here to here, another high. So until this low is taken, we don't have a different high. We have another high here. This low has been taken, another high here. Is here, okay. Then price went up trying to form a high, but I couldn't form a low. Therefore, that is where the high ended. So we want to see that this high here, let me leave that one. So we want to see that we've taken a low, the lowest point. Let me take everything so that I will show you how I want you to understand this. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is this. You can see that we had, after the price broke the low, we had this high here. Then price form a low here, give us another high here, form a low here, give us a high here, form another low here, give us a high here, and then form another low here. Then after this low, we never had any low. Okay, so what do you see here? What you see is price took this low here, and then this low was formed. This low was formed, okay, and price came to take this high over here. Good. Price came to take that high here, and that is our choke. Okay, if that is our choke, where is our demand zone? We have one here. This is an unmitigated order block. We have another one here. which was also not mitigated. Good. So since price, we are using 5 minute time frame for this, that means you can actually use 1 minute time frame for this, which is even going to be clearer than this. So we can take this as our entry zone. So we put our limit here, either a limit or we wait for price to get there, then you sell. Okay, then you can either target the low here. If you want to be conservative, you can bring it here and have 6 pips as a stop loss. Now 6 pips as a stop loss, that mean if you want to risk $100, you can actually use about 1.6 lot size, standard lot size 1.6. If you want to risk $10, then you can use less than that. Okay, so we are targeting 1:5. Let's see, it's already here. So if you are risking $100, that means you've already passed your first challenge. Okay, risking just $100 on your Pro-Firm challenge. But I would suggest you always target the most recent high, okay, which is over here. You can target this high here. This can be your first target. If price still give a reason for going up, maybe you can target this point here, and this is going to give you 1:9. It's a cool chop. Okay, so 1:9 for this trade. Good. Let's see if you can have more of that. I think that was, when was that? On Friday. Yes, Friday we had similar thing. We had the Asian low taking first. Asian low taking. Now after the Asian low has been taken, we never had any breakout structure until this point. Okay, we had this. No, there is no high here. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. I think this will be clear on 1 minute. So this is what I said by saying that what I mean by saying that we can be using the time frames interchangeably, the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, depending on how clear the signal is to us. Okay, so this okay, this is it on that day. Let's identify our highs. We had a low here and then a high here. This is not a high because this low wasn't broken before this highest point was formed. We had a high here. Okay, had a low here too. So all these things are just single leg. Now we can see that price took this high after price came down here. Okay, it went up to take that high, and this is our chalk, guys. That is your chalk right over there. So we have our chalk here. And where is our low taking? Over here. So this is our low taking. Here I mark it as what? As X. Mark it as X, and then this will be my chalk. This over here will be my chalk. Chalk means change of character. Those who are new to this, chalk means what? Change of character. Now you can see, so from here, all this week is our demand zone. Now you can take the whole demand zone and take 50% of it. Okay, what's 50% of it? You can use a Fibonacci and then just, let's see, from here to this point, 50%. Okay, so where's 50%? I think it's here. You can see right over here. So right over there, that's our 50%, and you enter your trade from there, risking how much? Risking 8.1 pips for, so you target the highest point here, which is over here. So you get 1:3. Okay, you made 1:3, which is 0.25% of your challenge account. You can see how easy it is. So let's take USD JPY and see if it is also happening. Okay. Let's see if it is also happening. Let's see. Actually, yeah, there's a different thing altogether. Where is it? I can see you. All right. So I think it is here to happen. Let's see 1 minute time frame. I took this today, and then I made I did not use the Asian range for this trade because I already marked. I have a different strategy I use for long trades. Okay, long trades. So let's see what happened. What really happened. I don't want to analyze this trade. So this is the time we should be having our trade. Let's see. We should be having our trades now. Okay. So let's see what happened. This is the time we should have entered this trade. Oh, I think we miss it. So we have a high here, a low here, low here, a high here, a low here, a high here, and then we have a high now. So this high has been taken, as this low has still been taken. Good. I got it. Let me take everything off here. So let's see. We have this low taken, which I'm going to mark as X because per the strategy, and then this high has been taken. That is our chalk, guys. That is our chalk. Oh, so our chalk is right over there. But then where do we buy from? You have to buy from somewhere here. This is where I would have bought from, but that didn't happen. Price didn't come to our zone, and then boom, it went off. So this is where I would have bought from. Don't know why price came to this point and then didn't get there. Let's see. Is there any flip zone? No flip zone at this point. Okay, maybe this. But this is something I've not back tested on. I don't know how it works. So in actual fact, we've missed this trade and we could have made to some 1:6. Wow, before price drop finally. So that's it. Let's see Euro USD, then I'll end the video here. I don't want this video to actually be long, but I think I have to show you some more examples. I really backtested and then there was so much examples. Let's see. Did Euro give us any trade today? No. There is chalk, but it has not retested yet. So let's see. This is our lower low. So price took the high. This is our chalk. So we expect price to reverse to this point, at least to fill this gap, take some liquidity over here, and then you can buy. You can try to buy from this point. Okay, now it has taken the Asian. Oh, I see. It has taken the Asian high, so it is going to drop. Yeah, going to drop. Going to drop. Yes, as soon as I caught this on Friday. It's on Friday. Yeah, on Friday I actually caught this. Nice sell. You can see. And even try to buy to catch the buy again. So let me show you how I caught it. Let me show you guys how I caught it. Good. So Asian high was taken on Friday. No one is going to drop this free of charge on his YouTube channel for you, but Peep Service together with Grace FX are doing it free for you guys, free of charge. So on 5 minute time frame, we saw our chalk right over here. Our chalk happened right over here. Price came to this unmitigated weak, start taking this liquidity. Enter here, stop loss right over here, 2.7 pips. Target end of this, that's 1:5. So the smaller the stop loss, the bigger your loss size. That is the secret, guys. If you are targeting 1:6 and you are risking $100 of this account, that means you are going to enter more loss here. You are going to enter about 3 point something or 3 loss size here. So making 600 within minutes is good. It's cool, guys. It's cool. It's very cool. Okay, it's very cool. So this is a chalk. All right. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification, let your friends also get in touch with this content. Share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends. Let's make the money together. See you in my next video. Peace.